You're probably familiar with the common phrase, content is God, which is also often used in relation to digital signage. Indeed, just look at the huge difference in quality between these two displays. Considering that the screens themselves are virtually identical. But how do you create a perfect digital signage content without making a hole in your wallet? Nowadays, the answer to this question is simple: artificial intelligence. Hey guys, I'm Gabriel and you're on the Look Digital Signage channel, where we're talking about everything related to digital screens in one way or another. Today we have a very exciting topic. The point is, I'm going to show you a completely free tool with which you can get 100% unique digital signage content created specifically for your business in just a couple of steps. But before we get to know this amazing thing, let's subscribe to the channel and press the bell. After all, there are still many exciting videos ahead with equally useful insights, which it would be highly painful to miss, isn't it? Great. Now to the point. Recently, our service has added an AI-based tool that, having no analogs on the market, allows you to create original content based on a few simple inputs. We called it AI Wizard. Well, simply because everything that will happen next really does look like a little bit of a magic. Look magic, as we'd like to say. Well, let's move on from words to deeds. To do this, we go to the Look personal account. And in the right sidebar of any section, we find the Generate with Wizard button. You can also use similar buttons in empty sections and pop-up windows. Now let's finally click on it and find ourselves at step number 1. I must say that depending on your industry, you will only need to go through 2 to 4 steps in order to get your new layouts. Let's try this tool on the retail example. Let's say you own a sneaker store. At the first step, we fill in the company name, select the industry, enter the location and add a logo. You can also enable the use of your corporate color, the number of which can be entered in the field that opens. Obviously, this is to ensure that your content is as consistent as possible with your brand book. Click on continue and you will be taken to the second step. It's optional, but if you want to add dynamic elements based on your social media or news feeds to your layouts, this is the moment. Let's move on. The third step is perhaps the most magical, although it is not relevant for all the industries. Here, you can list some of your store's key product items, in this case, sneakers of course, and the wizard will create compelling promo content for them. Well, to the last step. All we have to do is to choose the right orientation for your coming layouts. Click Generate, and now it's time for Look Magic. Wait for it. And here is the result. Several new pieces of content created especially for you. They have already been compiled into a playlist and are already being played on the demo screen so that you can easily check what it looks like. Use them all or choose your favorites. Or maybe you will want to play with the wizard again to get even more options to select from. It's up to you. Yes guys, it's that simple. Regularly creating new content is no longer a problem, but rather an enjoyable game. You can try it for yourself with a 14-day free trial or book a personal demo to learn more about this and other incredible Look features firsthand. All useful links are in the description below as usual. And that's it for today. I'm sure Wizard and I deserve a thumbs up, right? Well, take care and see you in the next videos. Gabriel was with you. Bye.